My people, how are they? Well, welcome to today's Ogbonge News. My name is Chidime Eyudemi, the Awamialu one of the universe. My people, today we get Ogbonge News when one tell now. The thing they share and the thing they happen for our Nigeria. So we say we can't tell now how the thing they be for this period, because this period many things they happen. Things when it be say we not even understand how the thing till they go, how the matter they be for our country, because as the matter they be like say the people here when it don't the day now, it don't be past the way when the thing be. So the matter when they bought now, when they talk about the things when it be say, all the things when it be say it don't happen for this week, because things when happen for this week now waiting Oyibo call and I saw things when it be say I know they look. But before we go inside, let me go subscribe. In case you never subscribe, those who never subscribe, now they tell now those who never subscribe, I don't know what they say I do you understand? If I do you anything at this time now, they beg me forgive me. In case you never subscribe, for you when don't subscribe, God will bless you. So you when never subscribe, you need to subscribe, because in this our channel we get so many varieties. When we say man, you go to enjoy. Not be only news we talk. We still do film here. We still do comedy. We do everything. In fact, when people come and say, or people come and say full packaging. They package just put for ground. That is the reason why you go subscribe. My people, as you subscribe now, we will enter inside. We're not the waka put there. We will just walk straight enter inside the news. Now the matter, now every that one. And people, the matter when they ground now when it be say we talk. Now the travel when it be say our president Buhari travel go London. No that time I come, I tell them say Buhari don't go London, say anyone go do check up for 2 weeks. So now people when you did London, the people when it be say they London, our brothers when they London can't go the hospital when it they protest say make Buhari go back, go feast. The problem they see the I believe say they see the matter when it be say it dey. He say make they go back, go Buhari go back, go feast the country. That Nigeria get the money, get everything when it be say Nigeria need to put to hospital when Buhari go fit go check up. Like the one I told you that the other time how much 13 billion when they don't spend for Aso Rock clinic when it be say you know they work. So that the protest when they protest now be that one. But the one thing we really dey inside is say Buhari come out for Nigeria, go London for check up, and if they go, he not settle the doctor when he be say he did Nigeria before he come out. The day when Buhari travel, the following day night the resident doctor for Nigeria is strike. So maybe check what thing they happen and see. The resident doctor for our country is strike. But Buhari go another country when he be say their president pay the doctor, give their things that they need, make them take work. He go to that country to do checkup, but he refused to give the resident doctor the thing they need when they will take work for common man. People when he be say they not go fit enter play the common, they not get the resources to go another country to go take a treatment for where the thing dey better. So Buhari not do this thing. As we still they talk now, as we dey studio now, they talk to you now. The resident doctor still they now say man, they not they go work. Buhari they receive treatments for London, but the Nigerian citizen they house they not gree see who they treat them, they not see anything. My people, that the matter not be this one. The matter is a guy they do for my body. Now I don't understand how a government person when he be say he get children, he get family, go get this kind of mind. You refuse to pay the doctors when they your country, when you are a president of. Now you travel go another country when he be say another man pay their doctor, buy the equipment for them. I don't understand why the president when he be say you president for a country, you know if you buy things when the doctor when they your country go to do what they supposed to, but you go another country when they another man buy equipment, pay their doctor, they go do, they take care of them. Waiting be this one at the top. Waiting me. Why would they use this thing? I don't understand. At the top, the one where they talk, they push another one, enter. What? Hey, I don't want to talk about this one, but maybe we still talk about another strike. The doctor don't strike their own. Now the doctor who I just they talk now, so now editor they push this one, they come now, they tell me say not be only doctor say judiciary don't also strike. Judiciary don't also strike. Can you imagine that? But this one, sir, I don't want to blame Buhari for this one. I will blame the governor of each state, because this particular strike now the governor had 9 days. Because what happened for this matter, they say the Buhari signed 2029. Buhari signed the law saying grant the autonomy to the judiciary and the state House of Assembly. That means the money and everything about the judiciary and the state House of Assembly, the governor will get power over it. But since that day when they signed this bill, the governors they not give judiciary the autonomy and including the House of Assembly of each state. So that make them the strike. So, but in that same bill where the government Buhari not constantly get issue, now because in that same bill, it is signed saying if the state when it be said they not implement this law, then the federal government could deduct the money when due for the judiciary and the state House of Assembly. They go deduct them for their monthly allowance. Then they will come send them the balance. But since the government, the states refused to honor that bill, the federal government have not deducted anything. They still pack everything they give the state government. Now this one, even the Supreme Court, Supreme Court closed down everywhere, shut down in the country. The Supreme Editor, I dey talk about the court now. Which one copy this one again? The Polytechnic does strike. The country is finished. The country is finished within the space of 1 week. When one take travel, so now all the things when they happen to that. Now Polytechnic now that one don't strike, because those are one matter. It don't dey for almost good 4 years now. When they say their salary made review their salary, they don't agree do am. See the lecturers of Polytechnic they don't strike again. So I don't understand it. When no setup for the country just dey work at all. No setup. Buhari put down. You see your life. Even the borrow life, even the small life when you get, now you go sit down for London. Things they go wrong for the country when you say you are a president. You not really give the power to the vice president, like he say he preside over a situation. You did not do for London, they preside over situation in Nigeria. Don't we for just carry Aso Rock follow you. Or where? For just carry Aso Rock follow you. I don't understand the country, where the country they go, my people. Because all this thing when they happen, it get how it be. No settle, no play, no settle you talk about Nigeria when it be say things are okay. No. In 1 week, the doctor they on strike, the judiciary they on strike, the Polytechnic they on strike nationwide. That means the country is shut down. Just look at the sector. All of them are on strike. And Igigi, you get mouth, take come and say you will do no work, no pay. That they should go and employ a local doctor. I don't get it. I don't understand it. Instead of you to meet the need of these doctors, you are talking Nyanyapu. Yes, Nyanyapu. You are talking Brabadash. Let me speak English. I don't understand it. My people, these people, I don't understand what they happen for the country. But the matter when it dey, the thing the guy be. The matter that you don't they choke out for neck. Then we come and say we can't tell now as we see the matter. Come. I don't want to talk about prison. I don't just want to talk about it. Don't leave this thing now. Remove am. This editor, I go fire him, I go sack him, because this editor don't do anyhow. I don't understand now. Okay, since the editor want me to talk about it, let's talk about it. This issue when the say the editor put for here, so now the prison break when it happened for Imo State, when it be say some hoodlums they waka come, they enter prison for Imo State, they burn down the prison, they go to the police station, headquarters, where they burn down the police station, pursue the police, pursue the security agency, and they free the prisoner there. Now, as we talk now, over 1,800 prisoners on the run. Now they release 1,844, yes, 1,844 prisoners. Now they escape for that prison. So now they see they look for the prisoner, then they beg, make the prisoner come. But the problem is say, the issue when I get with this matter is say, a whole police headquarters of a state, now this thing happen. See the pictures. They burn down the police station, they burn down the prison, and they free 1,844 men in that prison. Which area this government of Buhari for do well now? Because they tell us say that they do well. All the area, I don't know, me I don't know the sector, the area when we say this government, they do well. When we say they believe say they are doing well. Now, I ask you now, you when they see now, tell me which area. Is it education? Is it judiciary? Is it security? Which of the area? But I know one area. When it be say me myself, I know very well say they are doing well. That area of corruption. They are doing well in that area of corruption. That is not be say that they fight them more, but you understand. You understand what you know what I know in that area. They are doing well. I know, but the matter. You mean another one still happen again? They still go inside the way when it be say in all these 2 days when they felt bus everywhere for that place, they don't still go bomb another destroy another police station. You know where they waiting at the best. I don't understand why this thing happen. Where the security agency? I don't understand that. Now come out and tell us na IPOP. And I said I don't understand the English one that they use. Say now they do this thing. I don't care to know which people do them. I don't know why. Because the federal government say now terrorists. I don't know why if something happen, instead of them to take responsibility of incident that they fail to prevent, they will quickly blame it on another person. I don't know why. Apple have not taken responsibility. They have not created responsibility for the incident. But I don't know how within 30 minutes how they do the investigation and they get to know that it's really IPOP that do this. But I'm not supporting IPOP. Neither am I siding them. I'm not saying that they want or not. But the truth of the matter, for you to just call them terrorists for an incident, not that the incident, I'm not supporting the thing, no, but calling them terrorists, calling the IPOP terrorists is not good. If you have not called the bandits, the Fulani herdsmen terrorists, so you shouldn't call others terrorists. Now the issue will be this: I don't know why the government of Buhari are just failing by the day. My people, I come tell now wetin dey happen. Now the matter when it happen for Nigeria, now be this one. Now so we see and reach. Now we come say no come tell now say my Gary water don dey pass Gary for Abodo country Nigeria. My people, in case you never subscribe, what you still wait for, and in case you never follow us in any of our social media handle, please do. Our social media handle is AU Davis on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, even on your WhatsApp. If you just tap on AU Davis, the thing will show. Even on WhatsApp, you understand? My people, now so we see and reach, we will go to the other noon.